Welcome to Ez Eldin Mostafa channel. Here's a quick fact about the pop-up in a datasheet. We have two forms here, Form 1 and Form 2. Now we activate Form 2, setting its pop-up property to yes, so only Form 2 appears on top. You can see it open the form alone just as expected, but it still needs a bit of formatting. Let's center the text box on the screen and also set the form's auto center property to yes for perfect alignment. Now the form has opened separately from the others, exactly as we wanted. This helps focus the user's attention, making the design cleaner and more professional for any Access project. As you can see, the form now accepts data input normally, but it doesn't open any other forms until this one is closed. This behavior is perfect for login screens or pop-up messages because it keeps the user focused on one task at a time, improving control and preventing unwanted actions across multiple forms. To activate the pop-up property, open the property sheet, select your form, go to the Other tab, and set pop-up to yes. This makes your form appear on top of all other windows, ideal for important screens like settings or alerts. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to support the channel. See you in the next tutorial.